This is a great opportunity if you are looking for a house where you can live with security and close to all kind of business like good restaurants, pharmacy, supermarket, banks, clothing stores, etc. This property is sited on a cul-de-sac and private street with only 14 houses. It is 5 minutes from all major highways, 5 minutes from Newark Penn Station and 10 minutes from Newark Airport. It features master bedroom with jacuzzi and walk-in closet, 3 bedrooms, laundry, living room, dining, kitchen, office and 2-car garage. Call us now and schedule an appointment and see yourself the beauty of it.